you want a 2020 or newer Polaris Slingshot and you've been on the lookout for a way to light up the front end of your bike, then you may be interested in our LED lower brow lighting strips from the team over at TricLED. These lights are encased in a smoked black tubing that protects them from the elements. They're backed with automotive grade 3M VHB backing tape for maximum adhesion and feature bright white LED running lights and amber turn signals. Once installed, the illumination adds a bold visual statement that not only looks great, but increases your likeliness of being seen by other motorists while out on the open road. This product is 100% plug and play, but does require that you have the TricLED Logic Box before installation. The Logic Box seamlessly integrates into the Slingshot's wiring system and allows for simple plug and play expansion on over a dozen TricLED lighting mods. If you haven't yet installed the Logic Box, I went ahead and threw a link in the description below so that you can go ahead and watch the install video on that as well. Now allow us to walk you through the lower brow installation on one of our shop Slingshots.
Before you begin, make sure that you're parked on level ground, your parking brake is engaged, and that your ignition is off. The manufacturer recommends adding a dab of dielectric grease to the electrical connector at the end of each lighting strip prior to installation. The lighting strip will be adhered to the lower section of the headlight shroud just inside the ridgeline on the plastic shown here. Starting on the driver's side, test fit the lighting strip so that you can familiarize yourself with how it will be adhered. The end of the strip with the wiring harness should be facing towards the outside of the vehicle. Apply a line of painter's tape along the ridge line in the plastic, and then another line directly behind that. The spacing between the two tape lines should be equal to the thickness of the LED lighting strip. Next, clean the surface area with one of the included alcohol prep pads and allow that to dry. Then use an adhesion promoter pad to go over that same surface area. You can then remove the painter's tape. Peel back a small section of the protective backing film from the end of the lighting strip without the wiring harness, and adhere it into place onto the prepped surface area. Then peel back small sections of the backing film as you go, pressing firmly to adhere the strip along the way. Release your hood latch so that you can open your hood. As mentioned earlier in the video, this product does require that you've previously installed the TricLED Logic Box wiring kit. Locate the 3-pin 1-4 splitters included with that kit, and plug the single end of one of the splitters into the Logic Box connector that you ran to the front of the vehicle on the driver's side. Locate one of the modules that were included with your Logic Box kit labeled Front DRL/Y Turn, and plug the module into any of the available ports on the 1-4 splitter. Please note that the module box can support multiple dual color lighting strips on this side of the vehicle. If you plan on running multiple lighting strips like the Slingshot shown here, you will need our optional 1-4 2-pin splitter to split the signal for each strip. If you're only installing the lower brow lights, then you can plug the end of the module box directly into the wire coming from the LED lighting strip. Turn on your ignition to test your running light and turn signal functionality. If everything looks good, zip tie your wiring up and out of the way of any and all moving parts, and repeat on other side.
There you have it, folks. Now, if a set of LED lower brow lights is something you'd like to see on your Slingshot, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for yourself. Feel free to like and subscribe to see more content just like this. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.